I've been Google Ads certified since 2015, and if I'm being honest, certified almost undersells it. I'm genuinely obsessed with this stuff. Not in a resume building way, in a I actually enjoy reading Google data every day kind of way. Here's the part that actually matters most. I'm self-taught. Everything I know came from two places, Google itself and years of actually managing real accounts for real businesses, watching what worked and what quietly didn't. Nobody handed me a shortcut. I built this knowledge the slow way, testing it against actual campaigns, actual budgets, actual businesses that needed real results, not theory. That experience became K-Ray marketing, and the whole foundation of it is honesty. Real, sometimes uncomfortable honesty. If a business isn't a fit for what I do, I tell you that upfront instead of taking your money anyways. If something's not working, you hear about it immediately. It's not buried in quarterly reports. Transparency isn't a value I just put on a slide. It's just how the business is run. But here's something I kept running into. Plenty of business owners reach out who are just getting started, and they simply don't have the budget yet to have managed services. And I don't think that should mean they just don't improve their Google presence. That felt wrong to me. Good marketing shouldn't be locked behind a budget you haven't grown into yet. So I took a decade of everything I'd learned, every account, every mistake, every, oh, that's why that worked moment, and built it into something totally different, an organized step-by-step course. Not 10 years of trial and error, 10 minutes a week for about 3 months. That's Google Newbie. That's K-Ray Education. And then there's Google Rebels, which might be my favorite part of all of this. It's the gathering point for every student through this. A place for the questions that come up mid-lesson, walk-through videos when reading instructions isn't quite enough, deeper explanations when you want to actually understand why, not just follow steps. A place to post wins and have people actually celebrate them with you, instead of having that progress happen in silence. Once a month, I go live for office hours, real-time support, real troubleshooting, live analysis of your actual reports. Not a hypothetical example. Your numbers, your account, your questions answered in the room. Here's what I think actually separates this from every other course out there. I don't disappear after you hit enroll. I'm right here, encouraging you, checking in, holding your hand through the parts that feel confusing, the entire way through. This was never meant to be something you go through alone. Welcome to the Google Rebels. Let's get to work.